I know how hard it is to make friends on your own as an introvert. So today I'm going to share with you in this video what I found is the best way to meet new people and make new friends without becoming extroverted or busting your balls to have a connection. Plain and simply, the best way to meet new people is through mutual friends. As an introvert, I can't tell you how many people I've met either through my sister or my best friend. Literally so many. The majority of people I know I've met through a mutual. Not by me going on some adventure or doing some whimsical shit. Through a mutual. A person we both know. This is me. This is the person we know. This is the other person. This guy is the connection. The man in the middle. It's like the time when my best friend had a birthday party and invited me, obviously. But there was also his girlfriend and some of his friends from school, because we used to go to different schools. And these are all new people to me. Now, yes, I'ma be honest. I was awkward as fuck the whole night. And I've literally followed him around like a duckling. But hey, at least I met some new people. At least. And I actually spoke. Sir! Now, you're not gonna connect with everyone. You cannot. It's literally impossible. You don't have to. But just think about it. If you connect with everyone, then friends mean nothing. But as a guy who wants to make more friends, the best way to do it is through people you already know. Mutual friends. Go out as a group, and if you're in the same group, then there must be something to speak about. You're not early, you're not late, you're just on a different timeline. See you, bro.